How do beginners buy bitcoins? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about a topic that's been gaining a lot of attention lately, Bitcoin. In this video, I will be showing you how beginners can buy their first bitcoins. Understanding Bitcoin. Before you buy Bitcoin, it's important to understand what it is and how it works. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates on a peer-to-peer network. It's also the first and largest cryptocurrency in the world. Setting up a wallet. The first step to buying Bitcoin is to set up a wallet. A wallet is like a bank account for your Bitcoins. There are several types of wallets, including online, software, and hardware wallets. I recommend starting with an online wallet as it's the easiest to set up. Choosing an exchange. After you have your wallet set up, you'll need to choose an exchange to buy Bitcoins. There are several exchanges available, such as Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Make sure to do your research and choose a reputable exchange with good security measures. Verifying your identity. Most exchanges will require you to verify your identity before you can start buying Bitcoins. This usually involves providing a government-issued ID and proof of address. Adding payment method. Next, you'll need to add a payment method to your account. This can be a credit or debit card, bank transfer, or other payment methods depending on the exchange you are using. Buying Bitcoins. Now that you have everything set up, you can finally buy your first Bitcoins. Simply select the amount you want to buy, and the exchange will handle the rest. Your Bitcoins will then be stored in your wallet, ready for you to use or hold as an investment. And that's it. Buying your first Bitcoins may seem intimidating, but with a little research and preparation, it's actually quite straightforward. I hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.